Hi guys, welcome back to Japanese in English, where you can learn Japanese grammar in simple English. Today we are going to learn two very important grammar patterns for beginners, kara and made. These are super useful for JLPT N5 and for real life Japanese conversation. Let's get started. So, what is kara? Kara means from. We use it for starting time or starting place. Now let's go for some example. Let me write some Japanese for you. Gogo. I think hiragana works well. Gogo. Si sanji. Sanji. Kara. Benkyou shimasu. Benkyou. Let me come up with this. Benkyou shimasu. Alright. So, gogo sanji kara benkyou shimasu. Here, kara means from. Then, gogo sanji. I study from 3 p.m. I study from here. Benkyou shimasu means study. Kara means from. Gogo sanji 3 p.m. As you can see, this is about some time. So we can specify this example is about time. Now we are going to take a look at another one. That's going to be about a place. You can say example 2 as place. Now let me type Japanese here for you. I'm going to say Gakko. Gakko kara ie made arukimasu. Alright. So, Gakko kara ie made arukimasu. I walk from school to home. Okay? Ie, home. Then, Gakko is school. Gakko kara from school. Ie made here to home. Made. We will look about made later. Now, remember made to this place ie. Gakko kara ie made arukimasu. Arukimasu means walk. To walk. Right? I walk from school to home. Alright. That's about time and place. And now we are going to take a look at made. So made means until or to, as we looked here. But there's another one meaning until. Now I'm going to write some Japanese. Made. We can say it is until or to. Could be until or to, just to, like here. We use this made for ending time or destination. So let's focus on some example. We're going to go for example 1. Let's say In Japanese, we would say 9時まで寝ます。9時まで Yeah, 9時まで寝ます。Okay, this means I sleep until 9 o'clock. 9時まで until 9. 9 o'clock until 9 o'clock まで9時9まで寝ます。To sleep. I sleep until 9 o'clock. 9時まで寝ます。Okay, now we are going to focus on a place with まで. We can say, this is example 2 for place. We can go for an example, let's say, 駅まで行きます。駅まで、いや、駅まで行きます。This means I go to the station. 駅 station まで to station 行きます。to go 駅まで行きます。I go to the station. I go to the stations. I go to the station. 駅まで行きます。Alright. Now we are going to see how we can use からまで together. Alright. Now we are going to go for some example with time using kara and made. We can say something like 9時から5時まで仕事します. And say 9時. Let me pick hiragana for you. 9時から5時まで仕事します。仕事します。So, 9時から5時まで仕事します. Now it means します means to do. Here 仕事 work 仕事します means to work. And here 9時 9 maybe 9 a.m. to here からto から here 5時 maybe 5 p.m. here 9 to 5まで from 9 to 5まで from からまで to. Alright? 仕事します. I work from 9 to 5. Okay. Now we are going to consider about a place. Let's say 学校から家まで Arukimasu, our previous example. We can copy this one. Hopefully we don't have to explain that again. Gakko kara from school ie made to home arugimasu to walk. It simply means I walk from school to home. Alright. Now there's things to remember. Some rules. Don't use particle ni with kara or made. Okay? Never do that. For example, you might think here we mentioned some place. Ie, gakko. You might think we had used this particle ni, but don't do this. It is wrong. Don't use like, for example, let's say this koji. Koji ni kara. That's wrong. You should not do that. And correct way, just koji kara. Okay. So now you know kara means from, made means until or to. Practice your own sentence using kara and made in the comments. This is Japanese in English, helping you learn Japanese simply and easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep studying every day. See you in the next video. Mata ne!